Did your car break down on the freeway? Stressed out about auto repairs? Let My Mechanic Dallas take the hassle out of getting your car fixed. Meet Tim, our skilled and highly trained mobile mechanic, dedicated to providing top-quality service and ensuring customer satisfaction. At My Mechanic Dallas, we bring our services directly to you, making auto repairs more convenient and stress-free. From routine tune-ups to other repairs, we can handle it all. We stand behind our work with a 100% satisfaction guarantee, so you can trust us to handle all of your auto repair needs. Call My Mechanic Dallas today at 972-343-8266 to check availability or schedule an appointment. Servicing Dallas, Texas and the surrounding areas within about a 50-mile radius.